Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up some pressure washer items from Walmart, from Chemical Guys. We're gonna go over them. We're gonna take them out the box. We're gonna look at them and go from there. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I picked up some pressure washer items from Chemical Guys from Walmart. Like, I don't know, these have been sitting here on the toolbox for I think like a week, something like that. Today is Wednesday, July 14th, you know, so it was somewhere around the first of the month, so they've been sitting here a while. I could be wrong. They might have been about 4 or 5 days ago. I don't remember. They've been sitting here a while. I have the extremely well used, and I do apologize in the original videos for this 20 volt max DeWalt power cleaner. I did say it was brushless. I am wrong. It is 20 volt max. It is not an XR tool, so it is brushed. Works very well. Used it on 3 vehicles, 2 demonstrations on the channel, as well as I've done half of the back side of the house with it. Works really well. Does get warm with use, and that's kind of, you know, to be expected. I do want to do a demonstration. I don't want to pull out the gas pressure washer. But because this DeWalt actually has regular couplers for pressure washers, regular nozzles and stuff, it's got this quick connect, where the Ryobi has a proprietary design where the DeWalt actually gives you the option to use regular nozzles, like this guy right here, and you can get the pack where this comes with a yellow, a green, and a white. So a 15 degree, I think a 25 degree, and a 40 degree. And if you buy the nozzle pack in the same section this is down below at Home Depot, you can also get the nozzle pack that comes with the red, which is 0 degree. It's like a pinpoint nozzle. And it comes with a soap nozzle as well, for 29 bucks if you want to pick those up. But because this has this style coupler, and it will take normal power washer accessories, I would like to try this foam cannon, style foam cannon on this guy, see how well it does. It says this takes a minimum of 500 psi. This unit over here is 550, so this will more than likely not work on low, but it should work on high. And I picked up also the hand little Mr. Sprayer pump too. This was 19 bucks. This was $77. And then I picked up some of their Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. It smells really good too. I picked up 2 bottles of that. They were 18 a piece. But let's cut these guys open real quick. You know, I like picking up things that make my life a little easier, because I spent the last 30 plus years doing them by hand. So when you wash vehicles, you know, actually rags and everything by hand. This little guy is pretty nice. Comes with its nozzle right there. Large, easy to grasp knob for quick and effortless pumping. Zero O-ring gasket creates airtight seal for high pressure detailing. Lock trigger for an endless steam product. Full adjustable nozzle range for fine mist to jet stream. Comfortable grip handle for optimum control while working. The other thing that people use these a lot for, these styles, there's moisture in it. That's interesting. Like, why is it spraying out water? never used it. Looks like it might have been used by somebody. There's liquid in it. People also use these where they pump them up. They just put soap and water in them, and you lock the trigger on like that, and it will continually spray. A lot of people that go adventuring, four-wheeling and stuff like that use these style containers to wash their hands. So you can put warm or hot water in it, lock the trigger on so that way it will keep spraying, because you just pump it up. It's definitely been used, not really sure why. It's got wetness all over it. It doesn't look like it a return or anything to me. It does have a giant O-ring right here. That's interesting. There's definitely marks all over this, like it was used somewhere. Maybe it was a return and they just retaped it or something. I'm definitely gonna have to test this out and make sure it works. This isn't looking promising. It's been sitting here a while. Feels like it works just fine. But you can use these to wash your hands too. You pump enough air into them. Like that. So it can mist and spray. You just go like this and wash your hands. Seems to be working okay. There isn't much about this. It's just a full function atomizer and pump sprayer. Might go back and just pick up another one, just have an extra one, and leave it in the vehicle for overlanding. That was the word I was trying to think of. This guy right here is the Max Foam 8 Professional Foam Cannon. Blanket your car in rich cleansing foam, helps prevent scratches and swirls, thick suds, powered through dirt and grime. It says on here, easy to adjust foam knob. Get the perfect amount of suds for your ride with the easy adjustable foam knob. Have a filthy off-road rig, turn the knob clockwise for maximum car wash foam. Got a little dusty car queen, simply twist the knob counterclockwise for a quick wash with the perfect amount of suds. Quick release. Connect foam 8 to your connect your Max Foam 8 to your pressure washer in seconds with the quick release connect. Simply pull the sleeve back on your pressure washer gun or torque snubby, insert the foam cannon and get foaming. Fully adjustable nozzle, durable thread lock design, pre-labeled dilution bottle. I'm not gonna like read off every paragraph on here. It's a little foam cannon. Okay, so here's the bottle. It's not a big bottle. This guy is 77 bucks. Which is actually not cheap for a little foam cannon. There's Adams polish. I think it's Adams Polishing or something like that. He's got an Instagram as well as a website. He's got a couple nice foam cannons I would like to pick up. They do have really big bottles compared to this. This bottle is 1,000 milliliters, so it's not very big at all. The hose is inside here. This nozzle is actually extremely nicely well made. You're probably spending 70 bucks on this, and the $2 is the bottle, or $2 or $4 or $5 is the bottle. It's got a normal style turbo, not old style turbo nozzle with the two fins that come together like that. This is a nice silicone hose. From what I can tell, very nice silicone hose. Okay. Fits very, very nicely on the bottle. I do want to demonstrate this. And you know, the two bottles are sitting right here. So that is everything I picked up. Picked up two of these guys, these honeydew. The honeydew smells really good. This is a nice heavy duty nozzle. This nozzle feels like a pound. Let me check to see what it weighs, because it's pretty heavy. It's a pretty hefty little nozzle. Came in. Okay, kind of get the scale on. I'm going to move this down and put this on here. It's 1 pound 2 ounces, just the nozzle. So this empty, 1 pound 3.1 ounces. So it's a pretty hefty little dude. Just the nozzle alone is 1 pound 2 ounces. 0.2 ounces. The one reason I wanted to give this a try, you know, 1 pound 3.2 ounces, is particularly because this DeWalt power cleaner comes with regular power washer adapters, like I stated at the beginning of the video, so you can use something like this on it. Not necessarily going to be practical on this style wand, but I thought it would be interesting to give you guys a demonstration. You know, there's quite a bit of YouTube videos on this DeWalt 550 PSI power cleaner, but there is no videos on people putting, you know, foam cannons and stuff like this on it. So I thought it would be interesting to show that to you guys. Definitely will do that in a separate video. I'm not sure if it's going to be today, because we have lots of monsoon storms, and it's been raining on and off for the last 2 weeks, and we lost power a couple days ago. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this video particularly today. The adjustment knob feels nice, very fluent. This was 77. This guy was 19 bucks. Not bad. Probably pick another one of these up. It'll definitely work better. I do like that it's got the lock-on trigger. That is pretty nice. This is really heavy, but we'll give it a try. You can see that it's rocking. But, you know, everything I got here was like $100. It wasn't too bad. Little baby spider came out of nowhere. And this foam wash, it smells really good. And for 18 bucks, it says 1 to 2 ounces of honeydew for 5-gallon containers. Doesn't take much of this, so these containers should last a while. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like honey and a few other things. It just also smells like honeydew honeydew cantaloupe, if I remember correctly. But you know, these are both nice units. I definitely think, you know, the 77 bucks, it was well worth it to get me started on a decent foam cannon. I have no idea how well it will work on this unit. I might have to break out a full-size pressure washer. But just some info for you guys. I do appreciate you guys sticking around, checking out the video. If you guys want to see more on this and see it work on the DeWalt power washer or power cleaner, 550 PSI unit. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. It does state right here at the bottom, minimum PSI 500 PSI. It says minimum gallons per minute 1.4 gallons per minute, 2.0 recommended gallons per minute. Connection type standard 1/4 inch quick connect. This DeWalt unit over here does 1 gallon per minute. On low and high it does 2.2, I believe, 2 gallons per minute or 2.2 gallons per minute on high, if I remember correctly. On low, this is, to me, feels like this unit is running at like 400 PSI. On high, it feels more like 650, 700 PSI. It does not feel like this unit pumps out 500. It feels like it pumps out a close to 500 PSI on low. On high, definitely feels more than 550 PSI. This is a good unit for 149 bucks. But this unit on high meets the minimum requirements, the recommended requirement for gallons per minute. And on high, it meets, in my personal opinion, on low, it meets the minimum requirement for PSI. But, you know, I don't know any way that you can actually test the PSI of a pressure washer, to be honest. So all I know is I've used a 500 PSI pressure washer. I've used a 550 before, and to me on low this feels way more than on high it feels way more than 550. On low it feels close to 460 to 500 PSI on low. It's very powerful. It does strip paint. I used it to strip some paint on the brick on the outside of my house. Works great. On all, I believe that both of these will be very good units that will work very well. If I have any issues, I will let you guys know that I found some issues with these units. If not, I will give you guys an update stating that they work just fine, no issues. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Got lots of tool videos coming up. I did do a demo video on this as well. You guys will see that before this video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Be safe. Have fun. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!